you guys know, my name is Mike with SoCal Sales. I'm here showing the Plio Grip line. We're going to do some demonstrations that we do in the shop, and hopefully this will help you guys out. First up, what we're going to do is clean the surface of the bumper. And just so you guys know, there's all different types of bumpers out there. There's different blends of bumpers. This one happens to be a polypropylene bumper, which is noted with a PP on the back. Usually you guys will be able to find what type of bumper it is based on, it'll either have a TPO, a PP, a PUR, or something on the back that'll note what type of blend of bumper it is. With our product, you're not going to have to know exactly what bumper it is. All of our plastic repair will adhere to any of the olefin base. And this one, since it's a polypropylene, you won't actually have to use our adhesion promoter. So we won't be using that step, but typically on our plastic repairs, you'll want to use the adhesion promoter. So I just have a little bit of wax and grease remover on my rag here. We're going to go ahead and clean the surface, and then we're going to get started on the repair. So you can see here that we have a hole here, and basically we want to make sure that we clean around the hole first so we don't grind any of the dirt into the actual plastic. So if you do that, you might have problems with adhesion if you put your plastic repair on there. So we won't, we'll make sure that we clean the surface first before we start doing the repair. Okay. Okay. Also, a big thing is you want to clean the back of the surface too. We're going to be putting our patch on the back, so again, the back has to adhere just as well as the front. Check out right here, you can see the back right here. And another way that you can tell what type of bumper it is when you sand it or grind it, it'll actually melt. If it melts, then it's a thermoplastic. If it powders up, then it's a thermoset plastic. So you can see right here, this one started to melt when I grinded it, so it's a thermoplastic. And you know, like I said, you want to make sure that you clean this area right around there where you're going to put your patch with a prep cleaner. So this is just a regular wax and grease remover, and we're just going to make sure that we try to get that as clean as possible before we put our patch. So you can see the dirt on there that we took off with that, okay? We don't want to grind that dirt into the bumper, okay? Okay. Now our next thing we're actually going to use the Like 90 Turbo Pad specifically for bumpers. What this is it's a scuff pad, and it has the prep cleaner and prep material already in the pad. So it's really consistent, and it's going to be nice and easy for you guys to use. Also, this is something that could be billable per job. It comes individually packaged, so you could bill it out every time you had to use one of these on your job. Okay. So again, we're just going to make sure that we prep right around the area that we're going to be doing our patch. Scuff it. It already has a cleaner in there. Okay, flip it over. Then we're going to do the same to this side as well. Okay, now we're going to have a good surface that we can go ahead and do our repair on.